So, I mean, with that, how does someone get in contact with the remote boss?
Boy, that's actually quite difficult because I don't want people to contact me that often because I have my work that I need to do. But if you want to check out the book, go to runningremote.com. We also run a conference as well if you're interested in going to that. If you're interested in Time Doctor, go to timedoctor.com. And I probably would say the best place to find me is I'm at Liam Remote on most of the social media platforms, but the best one is youtube.com/running remote. We put all of our talks up there for free. And if you want to contact me there, just put it down in the comments and I shall appear. All other forms of social media I have managed by other people, not because I don't necessarily like social media, but because I know for me, I need to apply my time to very specific things. And social media can end up being a major distraction for me.